Hello friends and welcome back. In today's video I shall discuss 3 homemade recipes which will help you detoxify your liver. Like in the previous video, I have discussed about the functioning of the liver, what are the symptoms you will be experiencing when your liver is dysfunctional, and what are the most probable diseases a person with liver dysfunction could experience. So if you have not watched that video, it might be a good idea to watch it and come back to this video. For this recipe, you will be requiring 150 ml of freshly extracted bottle gourd juice, also called lauki ka juice in Hindi. 50 ml of giloy ka juice. If you cannot get giloy naturally, you can as well buy giloy ka juice online. 1 spoon each of roasted jeera, black salt, haldi and lemon juice. And along with these ingredients, if you are a female, I would suggest 1 spoon of dhania. Dhania is something which I do not generally suggest the men folk. Female folk, it really helps a lot. So all of these ingredients need to go into the grinder, mix it thoroughly, and then you would need to take this thing first thing in the morning on an empty stomach for 3 days. And then you will have to repeat this process again once in every 6 months based upon your lifestyle. One general note of precaution which you need to do before you start these detox procedures: avoid alcohol 3 to 4 days before you start this thing. Avoid spicy food, avoid non-vegetarian food, and as far as possible avoid all the junk food. Take lot of water, at least 3 liters of water per day. And if you are on any sort of medicine for an acute disease like fever or infection, please do not start the detox procedure. You should not be doing it. Now for the second recipe, you would need 150 ml of freshly extracted carrot juice, 50 ml of amla juice, that is juice extracted from gooseberries, and then you will need 1 spoon each of black pepper and black salt. If you do not have black salt, you could actually opt for rock salt. Mix all of these ingredients and then take this mixture immediately after breakfast for 1 week. Repeat this procedure every 4 months. It has been found that the liver associated symptoms have been reducing, and along with that the liver enlargement has also been found to reduce when you take this particular mixture. Now for the third recipe, you would be requiring 100 ml of palak juice or spinach juice, 30 ml of beetroot juice, 1 spoon each of black salt and black pepper. So you need to mix all these ingredients together and take this thing after dinner for 7 days and repeat the procedure after 4 months. We have shared 3 recipes for you to help you detoxify your liver. Which is good? All of them are good. By taking these recipes, you will be able to get your symptoms like heartburn or high cholesterol levels in your blood or constipation or lethargy or weakness or itching in your skin or swelling around your ankles. A lot of symptoms, all of those symptoms which we had discussed in the previous video about the liver. All of those symptoms can be reduced along with the enlargement of the liver, and in some cases even the liver diseases have been found to be reduced. Now if you think that the taste of any of these recipes is not to your liking, you could add a spoon of honey or a few spoonfuls of pomegranate juice. This juice can also be given to children to increase their immunity and their appetite and their growth, or it also can be used for any age groups. So that's all for today. Hope you like today's information and you try these things out, and these things really help you out, because none of these things will have a side effect. They are all natural and they are all healthy. Not only would they help you detoxify your liver, they are also rich in a lot of antioxidants and a lot of nutrient value as well. So this is Dr. DrSomayajula signing off for today. Sarve Jana Sukhino Bhavantu.